pretend to be holy. They love to stand and pray in the synagogues and on the street corners. They want to be seen by others. What I am about to tell you is true. They receive a complete reward. When they pray, they love standing. Masama ba ang mag-pray standing? Hindi po. Masama ba ang mag-pray in the street corner? Hindi po. Do not just blow it. Ako'y nagdasal dito sa corner. Ako'y tumayo para makita lang sa mga tao na ako'y nagdasal. Hindi ganon. Pwede kang magtayo. Pwede kang magdasal. Kasi ang focus po dito is hypocrisy of the heart. If your heart is hypocrite enough, tingnan mo, maraming mga religious na mga tao ngayon. Pero tingnan mo yung buhay nila, pakitang tao lang. Ang focus po dito po, hindi yung magpakitang tao tayo na tayo ay religious because we love to study in prayer. When in fact, the apostle, they pray, but they are not hypocrites. God knows our heart. When you pray to Jesus